Hey Rentvine team, how we doing today? Christian here, and we have another video of Rentvine Academy. If anybody does internal maintenance currently within Rentvine, then this video is for you. So we just released our calendar feature. If I go to the maintenance section and go to calendar, I could click on that, and now I could go ahead and keep track of all my internal maintenance techs and get them scheduled out within the system and associate it to a calendar so I could see where all the work orders that they're scheduled to and make an appropriate decision on what work orders I want to assign to each vendor and see how their schedule looks like for the day. So right here, you can see all the work orders that are ready to schedule. If I want to create a new work order from scratch, I could do that right here. I could see all my internal maintenance text that I have in the system. I could search, I could filter, I could unselect, I could do multiple things in this page. I could choose the date. I could do it by a day. So as you can see right here, these are all my internal maintenance texts that you see here. And then I could also filter it by a specific week. So show me how many issues or how many work orders are scheduled within that specific Friday or Monday, things like that. If I go ahead and just click on this, it'll just prompt this and it'll show me that's a plumbing work order. I could open this in Google Maps. I could go to full work order details and I could easily edit some of the information that you see here. So I don't have to go to a new page to edit this information. I could do this all from this work order or this calendar view if I need to. Let's say if I wanted to get this scheduled out, I could just go ahead, drag it over, and then get that scheduled out to the specific vendor, and they'll go ahead and get notified. So you're going to notice the time windows. These time windows, so right here, this duration is about 2 hours. This is going to be strictly based off the setting that's associated with your appointment settings and your global settings. So depending on what your duration is under maintenance and appointment settings, depending what your window appointment duration is, that's what's going to show how long the duration times are going to be. But we could go ahead and adjust this if needed. We can move things around, make them smaller, make them larger within this page, but by default, go based off that. You can see which work orders are pending, which ones are open. So this is a really big feature that we're all excited for. It's been asked for, so you ask and we deliver. That's what Rentvine's all about. So thank you so much for your time, and if you have any questions, please contact support@rentvine.com.